Imagine a world where you do not need to know a single line of code to build the next Facebook or Uber. Instead, you simply describe the vibe of the app to your computer, and it builds itself in seconds. This is the secret of vibe coding, a 2026 revolution that is fundamentally shifting how technology is created. Moving away from strict syntax and into the realm of emotional intent and creative direction, we are talking about AI systems that don't just follow instructions but interpret your tone, your goals, and your creative energy to generate entire software ecosystems from scratch. I'm Techy Jutt, and today we are uncovering the hidden shift that is turning every human being into a software architect, while traditional coders are struggling to keep up. Secret vibe engineers are using Agentic AI to build complex platforms with nothing but a voice prompt. Are you ready to see the end of the keyboard era? Let's reveal the secret of the world's most intuitive programming language: your own voice. The secret of vibe coding starts with agentic orchestration meshes. In the old days, you had to tell an AI exactly what to do, step by step, but in 2026, the secret is that AI agents now act like a digital workforce. When you give a vibe command, a secret mesh of specialized agents, one for design, one for logic, and one for security, coordinate among themselves to realize your vision. These agents use self-verification loops to check their own work, correcting bugs before you even see the first draft. The secret for the Techy Jutt community is that the bottleneck is no longer how to build, but what to build. This autonomous logic secret means that the software doesn't just sit there. It evolves, rewriting its own non-critical modules over time to become faster and more efficient based on how people are using it. The second secret is explainable AI and governance. As we move into 2026, the biggest fear is that we won't understand how these vibe-coded apps actually work under the hood. The secret solution being built in high-tech bunkers is transparent architecture. This allows the vibe engineer to peek into the AI's decision-making process at any moment. The AI secretly maintains a digital provenance log, a breadcrumb trail of every creative choice it made, ensuring that the final product is secure and ethical. This audit trail secret is why massive corporations are finally trusting AI to build their core infrastructure, as they can now verify the intent behind every line of self-generated code. It's a secret layer of trust that turns black box AI into a glass-clear partner. Let's talk about the natural language compiler's secret. We are witnessing the death of Go, Python, and C++. In 2026, the hottest new programming language is plain English, or any language you speak naturally. The secret is that large language models have reached a deterministic threshold where they no longer guess what you want. They understand the symbolic logic of computers perfectly. This semantic bridge secret allows you to say things like, make it feel more professional, and add a payment gateway, and the AI understands the trillion-dollar infrastructure required to make that happen instantly. At Techy Jutt, we believe this democratization of creation is the secret to a tenfold increase in global innovation, as farmers, doctors, and small business owners can now build the tools they need without hiring expensive dev teams. As we look toward the end of 2026, the hybrid human-AI co-builder model is becoming the global standard. We are moving from a world where humans use computers to a world where we collaborate with them on an emotional level. At Techy Jutt, we are tracking the rise of innovation as a service, platforms that allow anyone to rent a sandboxed AI lab to test their wildest ideas in a simulated reality before launching them to the world. The secret of vibe coding is that it returns technology to the dreamers, making the technical barrier a thing of history. The age of the syntax era is over, and the age of creative intent has begun. Stay tuned, because your next big idea is just a conversation away. The future isn't written in code, it's felt in the vibe.